Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. I really appreciate everyone that is supporting me. May God bless you all. Please don't forget to share my videos, like, leave positive comment down below in the comment section. So guys, let's sit together and watch this video. Bye bye. Hello my people, I greet una with better style. My people, I don't carry another bonge story, can't give on my people. This one from retire me on my people. Me on can't listen. On a not say na inside social media now for the year plenty matter my people. So I go drop the video for na finish to watch me and don't forget to leave on our own opinion watching I think on the video. My people, before I go drop the video, I greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on the time where be so I go take come across this video. My people, make I drop the video, make una watch.
So the most important, the big deal when I see for there, now say, Ijore no fit come down to come they carry her, they talk about her every day, they use the romance her, they celebrate her. Apa weti Ijore hi platform money hi onge, na ma sweni every 2 minutes, sa sweni eba na sweni ni kao. Again, I ask the time when they will take the measure any kao name for that platform, they will come the measure Atuari name. Instead of any kao, they will come the measure Atuari name. This fight one they see for Facebook, so we for not saying. This special way organized, so na for not saying for us side at all. You hear? So that one was that one. Then the content of the page show, me I quickly talk about them because he say you're no one. They're not the one person for saga. Actually, I don't know the saga because the person where you they call every day, you never ever call and one day make you wanna. You not tell and say you see River where you go, my sister. Since you don't say to me, you call her for his iPhone. People they talk about you for outside now. Not go River again. Me not come get us. Why you go River? You don't even need all those things. It be like say you use and take cost public. You not do it. Instead you just enter her for Facebook, use and give you back. At every given time, when you take they do her video, you they do and like say now only you get copyright of it. She not get the right to talk about you. So if she not really they get copyright of it to talk about you, and you the open platform for years every time, she have the right to talk to you in whichever way you want. Because people where they do be parable say, if you collect somebody something, anyhow way like now you take withdraw it party for your aunt. Anyhow way like you not fit beat and finish, you still tell her how to cry. So for her video, she also say Ijore don't beat her. They say all of us say Ijore beat her. She agreed and she admitted the beating very well. She say ogbe mi ya ne me gyo wa me, ogbele mi ya no redag mo me, wa se me ya ni vie. We no ya home e ya vie. This was her statement. Say, any way she can't like now, she will can't take cry. She really admit, say, Ijore beat her. That aspect of it is settled. We know we'll go talk that one again because she admitted it by herself. Say, it don't already, he beat her way. So anyway, I wish she like, now she will can't take cry. But even if you want cry, to cry in this another lying way, to take brainwash people, may be like, say, you get waiting down and really talk, whereas now money now you want, is wrong. Yes. Because the missed call where she talk about, say Ijore take call her. That missed call was done on the day of that settlement. Ijore call her for that missed call, and only that one, she not call her back. He call her maybe tell her, say, prophetess don't call Rita. Prophetess want call Rita and you make it settle two of now together. Now that reason, I make Ijore call her that same day where prophetess don't make two of them talk already. And another betrayer inside the and Ijore matter is that she betrayed Ijore right from the day of the settlement. You see? Right from that day of that settlement that was fake, there was a big betrayer inside. Ijore say, he record on record me. She agree, say, okay, poblero, or she recorded that. Still, will you call that settlement? Was that settlement? No way. That one a person way carry and you already not get the record. You not record down nothing. The way she just talk say, record the mail, he record doma, he agree put. She entered the matter. She carry phone near her. She begin the record. So me way come at contour say, no put her for phone near me. I beg mona de go wala wasile. Una say I know what thing I did do. I understood that this kind of a day like this is going to come. Wait, be say. Somebody say, what is wrong with your voice? Nothing. My voice is very okay. Everything is fine. So, wait, be say something like this is also going to happen. I knew that a day like this will come. So, my people, selfless. Yes, Ijore was very selfless and she was selfish. Thank you for that English. Iyore was full of selflessness, while she was full of selfishness. To know that a day, she also knew, even as she dey settle, she dey plan for another fight for future. She dey settle with him, but she dey book another fight for ground. The audio way they do that settlement that day, she dey collect and they take and book fight for ground. They book him for ground, say maybe in the nearest future, if you just come and come talk like this, I'll bring all this thing come out. Whereas a person that is selfless is always selfless inside audio. You must see the genuinity in their words when they are talking in audio to say, who be this? I defend this person, may I block and say so. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for coming. All right. So, my people, person when want talk for inside audio, they always a day selfless. He go raise it, that is he go talk. Like he already talk, say, va jene jaoui. Gima mwene fwa. Gima mwene fwa. It's not good. Make we throw away trouble. She, when they talk for inside a video, say, wata mame na mwene fwa. Wata mame uwe gbeme na wene. Wata mame guwene. So it became a blackmail onto Iyore. The trouble that she don't want, it became a blackmail onto her. It become the thing where they take go keep for granted. Say, and then why you wear wado gume gwa, iyari yodioni that yan will take bene wo weni. Ya wuri beswa buwe, no make a bene make it wo again. Yes. So that was the reason of the recording which she recorded. There was nothing like settlement. It was just a matter of let me take within day your mouth. Let me know deep down inside your heart. And that very day of that settlement, she was not even happy. There was no happiness in Natwari. How? Let me prove it. Even as Iyore they do settlement with them, they drag Rita join her. Now that one she no want. If they drag Rita join body, they say, if we do the settlement finish, there you know, prophetess, why ya settle away Rita in a way, and you can have a tea Rita, you have a tea lolo. All those things, they verse and way. You understand me? And immediately that settlement happened. Say Iyore come begin, they blast me, they insult me, they insult Lolo. She would have not have a problem with her. For our video, now make they always they say, hey, waiting I keep for you, may what keep me normal. But on one guy when you do with making ye you keep a name do fire. You do one on my people do rock barrel, you don't get all the way won't play. The day when they do that settlement, now only that day, now Iyore even give her a missed call because of me. Wait, they tell her say, come Rita, we they talk Rita by we are Rita Yilanyu. Maybe that they prepare a phone down. Maybe they put in a Rita for granted. They don't know say, I know appear there. I don't want there. I don't want the diarrhea. Bata. So my people, now that one, now be that one. She say Iyore for warn her before you come follow and do that saga. If you not come out, come talk everything where you can't talk. I never see Iyore as wrong. Never. She not wrong because it's impossible. Wait, be say person go sit down in you. Every time with your bonnet, platform your own table when be a win when Yisha. I don't understand though. Who will not be a win when I went over be or here and your pipe will live with that pain and that depression of every time. Wait, be say now once the content give you now we make me a peace. No, they are the peace you with that mo. If you now need some will make you say you want to go to patient. So think about the other person that you have been beating constantly. We not reply you. Hide the fee for a side body. It be like what is you won't do me for good one. He come before he can't get belly come born. He not notice and say that in the pain. Not notice and say that person they don't to. But the time when he come begin they get her. And I beg a green screen to way. And I beg a green screen pussy for her side. And I do I beg him no matter can I beg she can't feel her for her skin. Say this thing where they do this person so you not good do. It depend on for body since so. He can't rest. She can't understand. Say this thing they pain entire body very well. So it's impossible for you to tell an adult say adult that you beat on a constant daily. But not be say constantly. Anytime when you tell hear anything about her, you must come update, write in name. Update. This one you're not going to use direct torture. You write in name. You're not going to even use it direct torture. You go write in name with boldness and everything. My dear, a settlement with you, I'm not taking anybody at all. To even think and say get what it to do with you, not to talk of settlement, is a shitting of the highest order. The kind of settlement we good now. The settlement no why agmagbi. Because the people where you settle with, who you direct if you're not here, Okay, let's say directive in we directive you so we are praising you because why? They were topping you, always talking about you, always praising you that you wanted from Yuri that you never get. Where Yuri say, no, this aspect of me, I know if he give you. Because a princess may be him. I don't think on the worship another princess for Facebook. It's possible, you know. That one, it can't be that one. So when Atuari they also they give me, she say, me they always they tell her say, na so she no get anything for UK where she did. Na so she never make her. When he reached the area of laughing at a person, my people, of mocking a person, who start mockery between me and she. Atuari started mockery on me on this live video long time. It don't take. I remember the time when I enter live video, Shane is still there my mouth. When I carry teeth with Shane day on this live video, he go say the lady on Shane. The lady on Shane. Now so it they refer to me. Now so it they refer to me. No respect, no regard, disrespect of the highest order. At least at the time, he still give me Agbaka. Yes. Another nickname where you also give me. Now be that one. Say you be Agbaka. You be this one. But she they like all those things. When she they do one to people. But when you they give her those things back, it's very horrible in her. She don't forget it in a hurry. You know they quit they come off for her body. Nobody get monopoly to bully. Nobody. You know get person where they born, you say now only you get right to bully another person not go bully you. Now that one be the something you supposed to understand for do cyberspace. Nobody go green that one for you again. And she always they like to fight people who know they fight them. That is another weakness that you have, Atuari. You like fighting people that are not fighting you. The real people where they really fight you, they run. You know they fight them. Me, I will not call you a woman who have power. I will not call you a person who has strength. Because you do run away from where you are being fought. And you run into an area where you are not even called. Area where nobody is even sending you. Where the person is not even thinking about you. Where the person is not even putting you for head. Now that area, now you they go they fight. So I call you a weak person. Because if to say you get power, now area where people they fight you, now you supposed to they go. Like the way Frank they fight you constantly because of what you doing. The way Vera they fight you constantly because of what you doing. But when I go where I go area no mama say you way area where person no even they mind you now that area. Now you they go. So, my sister, my people, the record of settlement, now waiting she want play for a side pay show. The record where you already talk. She really talk that day because no say the record now that day two of them talk together. Now that he say he go complain for Facebook, now go see here and now go see the sincerity. But you see that pay show on is very bad to record the person or the area where I want to go. He say the prophetess say na you send that prophetess come meet her. May come beg her. He say na you send her come. And when that woman talk to me. When that woman talk to me, not to say na you send her come. When that woman talk to me, he say na Atuari send her come. He say na here they call on the name where they call on for that side. Where they call on for that side. Now so the woman talk when he talk to me, he not talk say na you send her come. I wish the woman talk say na you send her come. Me for say for waiting why you go send you come define settlement up and down. He not to say na you send na come. He say if a day salt and water ministry. He say na then if a day. He say but he can't come out. He can't go the other ministry of Atuari. He say when he reach that side, he say the fight come the whole ground. He say now he can decide say make them settle the matter with the ground. He say she not even complain, she not get published, she just agree put. But she talk her for one of her video today saying that 3 weeks they take beg her before she agree. I never see this kind of thing for my life. He say na 3 weeks now the prophetess take beg her before he come green. Make they even green make it settle in here. Jore 3 weeks. Hey, salute boy. Oh, video. Baba, no can understand all this kind of life way for Facebook where person not the fee explain. 3 weeks. The person will just talk say, Monica ne problem. Now so the woman talking. Person where you can't use 3 weeks stay green. The woman go talk say you not get problem. We say you not really get problem. The woman will talk say you not get problem. I go bring the audio. I get all the audio. The woman say Monica ne problem. Yene wala here kaka. Abini mwe yila, wa weni wa mwe yila, baba ni wa mwe yila, ene problem. Na so the woman talk. Now that kind one you come to say na Ijore same. Why Ijore go same person? That same person go come say you not get problem. Person wey come green may use 3 weeks stay. When you use 3 weeks, they beg you before you green. That's the person you can say you don't get problem. Not be problem for everywhere. The only person the prophetess was even afraid of, when he thought say this person not go ever green, maybe settlement get head. Na lolo. Na so he talk. He say on your pa me wa o lolo on your pa. He even be say me tortura. Na me not am we no gwale no buy no yati ye. He say he don't call her, he not pick phone. He dey recall him again whether he go pick phone. So out of everybody for that settlement, yeah, na she, na the prophet told say no get problem. Ogo ene problem, ere manania, ene problem, ene wala ye. Do wa we gwan for ne do we ni mwen ni magba gwan. That one a person where they used to we stay beg. Hey, akbo. O pegi. O ge bung baby live video. O gi, we did live video. One of the suffering for light blowing o. Light blowing is too much, man. Okay, bungbe. At a time to atame no man, we are here, we are you se sagbada. So when she will come they talk, I'll just they look and say, you ho na to get. Area get na to get. You say me they talk say you not get anything, you not get this one. You say me they talk say you not get anything, you not get the other one. Why you never do driving license? Same motto, my people. Where you wanted to do saga. He said they see they do one for factory. That motor never come. The motor still on the mini aye kun we factory. Or my lab down factory, not be the kind one where we the ride so we they do saga so. How money that is in cook na money. So that the time we go use the money to buy the motor. When you go to do saga, maybe that motor go get a up roof for up. Or maybe that motor go get I don't know the kind of motor will be that one. Maybe now all those one which Chinese they prepare for factory now. If the motor waka for ground, you go start to the fly. But I never see that kind of motor where they fly before. I don't see them for Chinese film. If you waka, get where you go reach, you go your open window. Like, oh, maybe now she will come do the hair saga with everybody where they Facebook. You understand? Because we are doing grand saga for the same motor. Maybe now wait till you use that one tell me. He say the motor where she want ride. He said he said we go see her. That kind of motor, am I no fear with Facebook now? Am I no fear with social media now? Nobody, we don't see that motor. He say somebody say flamingo car. Exactly, they call her flamingo. Now flamingo, she say she won't use this saga house when time come. Maybe that one go your will say wow. Am I me born and una yagi una gwegbe. In why kwa me na ya bu wen kedere you are there before you know it. Ona why I really zegbi motor na no. Only me any copy again. Maybe that time I will go the 5 flamingo car where I won't buy. So that I'll come see copy follow for back. Hey, salo bois. Oh, bebu. Then you get another thing. Open letter. Exactly. Open letter. You get another thing where it still caught my attention. Where for the talk, my people. Where it caught my attention. He say he not go school. Now me they call and say he go school. He say school not be everything. He says school not be anything at all. And school gile rockba. So me me bring ni gile ya arrange me ya ni ya you know again you work as ya when na ni maybe be your mind say na you dog na go gather go school. If you Una don't hear that kind of thing before since when I exist for this life. He say na you dog ekita ye here amule legbeje school. He have ekita ogba ye school. Meaning when she don't old all the children don't grow. Me ma understand. That's the way don't old where they carry dog go school. But where I won't use the school till lane. Where I want use and take walk. Where I want even use the school take sit down. Where I want use and take exchange words with people because now old people me they take care of. If they don't old, then they carry dog up and down. Our home now they carry the come sit down. They not they say they want carry that people. Where be say he don't old, they carry dog up and down. Want go school for old age. Where your school where your mate don't go, they don't use and take speak English for Facebook as Azaya Kwane. Since you say now you be the number one for everything. Now you not come to say now you will come be number one for school for UK. You say for UK you na lie you. Say you must wait all of us if we don't hold now you and dog will come that go school. Isha. All the school where all of us come they go with this time around come they drive our motor go. You know they okay. The one where we go we don't use everybody don't use a school finish. Everything don't expire. Now that time you and dog one can go. Hey, bani na way. Emmanuel Legbin saga with la video. Wow. Social media, my people. If you are not careful, if you're not careful, go and arrange your life. The way social media will destroy your life, Yes. It will destroy your life. One of the problems that Atuari is facing today is putting herself for a place where she never reach. I'm telling you, people. If person they too put himself for position where he not reach, the time we're supposed to take work on himself, he go forget the important thing for his life. He go forget her. The time that you are supposed to sit down and do important thing for your life, you they feel like a madam. Okay, be like when me I enter Germany now, I go enter school, I go register for different places. I was working on myself. But you maybe you that time, or you never enter Facebook, you just enter Facebook. The time you started to put your 2 legs on ground on whole land, when you supposed to take the work on yourself, you started to use it to feel big for people where you never reach their status. You started to use to compare people where you don't go a long time. You go to see church where they carry money like this, where they spray big money. You now want to be like them. You want your husband to be behaving like them. Whereas when I say level, you don't they use yourself to compare them. You never reach that level. The time when you come supposed to reach that level now, your mates will did that level that time they don't work past you. You are not saying it's you and dog that we go to school when you are not old. Or they kita hang by your school at old age. Person we don't old white don't come on for it to don't come on for why. It's if one ya fuafu. Why the school bag be age my people? Now, I let that one not understand the whole thing get us a bit now. I no say, I guess you can't get more now, but I go now with Saga. I guess you can't yo, Jimmy, Jimmy. I make better young when I never read, or better young when I know. Yard you want making him very ruhuna. So, my people, the pay show is a serious brainwash of the highest order. And brainwash. You know, say, not be everybody they quit the accept defeat for this life. It's possible to take dog to school if the teacher is a dog too. Okay, if the teacher and a dog, it's possible to also take a dog to school. No. You get old people where they are, you know, even for this Germany here, there are many people, old people of those days. We have many. Let me quickly talk about this one. For this Germany where we did so. People where they Germany, Mona quote me wrong. You get some school where you go. If you reach class, you come meet Ije Lekute. You will say, how old are you at the day? You go say they sometimes you say 60 years. Ije 65. Now language you call learn. You tell us say how many years you did Germany? You go say, me, I'm 23 years in Germany. 23 years. And you are 60 something. Now you want to go language school. You go say yes, or you go say they say they not go pay and government money again if you not come school. Government say no go pay again because the benefits where government they give people when no one go school, go learn language. You get where you go rich, you don't care because you never enter retirement. They withdraw the benefit. They will not give you that benefit because you didn't do the right thing. And that old day they'll see the same you go that school where you never go. Because if you complain, say that because of language where you know the year, now make you for Germany now they talk. Now make you not get work. Now cause where you not feel work. So they must carry paper can't give you. Make sure they push your head for that school. Say, okay, make sure you go to that school. Now, old age, you want to suffer a year. You don't see your back, but you never see your front for life. Now, only your back you don't see. Now, only what you don't happen for your back or the things where you don't pass. Now, you see what you want face for future. You don't see, Now, it costs away beneath people. They say, oh, where I have to no more. Anybody where you put you no more for granted, you go say, now, time I have to. I have to no more. Me mommy and they baby the wrong your back. If to say that kind of person bring, if he correct, I never know. Because the two things when I hear for Atu Arima today make me surprised. He say na a dog will go school at old age. And the same motorway he won't use. He said they see the arrange for factory. He say motor ni boy maropa my fear with Facebook nani ya lima with saga vegas. So all this one where everybody just they drive so. It's a learner for the kind of car where Chinese people they construct for you for inside warehouse. Irema, o salobo la wu. No you wu, no give me wu. Ni mami a o ya ni moto me a beg any me copy. When copy cat him. I mean ni me copy. Wa de gbe moto ni me mosto. Where they no fly le a space na me ya de no fly le space no so we. I want see that motor. Where be say where the can no show. Me, I want to see that kind of motor. Where you are ready now that kind of one. Why you fear? You get a person the rich motor not good to go. Woman no ma cafe motor for a long time. When you don't old, now you can say you want to sit down for steering. About what do fi motor? Who ye dig in one ga who voe? Who jere? You not go remember to take drive. You know why? Because a driving license is a car. Ah, we say, I thought I don't get driving license if I don't buy motor. If I don't buy motor and if I don't even the saga, everybody they go for very long time. A saga ya yari, but we motor ni ya gabi away. Eh ya wa bomb motor ni here baby ati wa saga irita. Oga saga ilolo, oga saga sera, oga saga status, oga saga ivierio. You go the saga all of us. Everybody. Is your go the saga all of us they go for stereo. Every day new topic. Here. Ah, we say that kind of motor really day. The way we can know you reach for this live video. That woji. I said yari mata 20 when they wagata. He said the money, for your factory making motor. He said the money. He said na him be go. Another one way can't see shock me again, my people. He say he no be like me. Where you go they pay money till they do trouble. I'll go to say I want to use money take call people for court case or for this thing. You feeling ye kwani ha. You make ya isha. I was like, is she bipolar or what? You feeling ye kwani ha, you know the throw away money and I go say na you want go the throw away money till they follow person do trouble now we you. Not be this Facebook all of us for seeing and say Aje Koti, Ariye Bebo, Ariye Begwai, Ariye Yafe, Aluigo Yekesi. And at this Facebook me for even here when she use her mouth to say, you go ni ya beluwa yi mama mwadi UK. Abi wa mama my people. Now let me hear this kind of word. He say money when she want a fight case. He say she carry and put for bag in buy it in mwadi UK. Or you beg Ariye wefo, alo we na lo wa ko alo awa alo e here. A case ni iga e photo. Because here is a sima a last penny no remanisa my zehia ima zebanwa ni mayari yemi yunuri so that we will stop mentioning her name and talking about her person where you go court where you go egwai where you go this one to tell people to make sure say people remove her name from their mouth. That same person not remove people name for a mouth every day. If even though same person not come mention your name, you must go shook yourself for a year. So that you go see you can't measure your name. And at the end of the day, now you they go court, they go everywhere to remove people, to remove your name from people's mouths. Have you sat down? Oh, when you have a yawe cache cruzo, the problem. Let's be sincere. Not be say I don't know what to be the problem. I know very well, but I just say they have a yawe roi, you know. Roi. But the truth, we were roi in us then and for see this year. You see this ijore this thing when you go do. Go put for there, say you want use and take do pay show. Now that one that they call Omano Boma Kweku. Yes. A Kweku, na many people they call her. As you read say you be saga queen for live video. When you come out, can't give you wuto. You put on for your body, you enter, sit down. You enter inside where. Ona la we again, ona when about so you can't even use your mouth, they admit and say, he beats me. Ogele wag be me, admit any massion. Why can't they say now and say I want to play with you? If not be the money where you can say, there you know, go me go no raw, sis ugbe me na la me gbe tuta. Sis ugbe me na la me gbe tuta. Go me why come me go no raw, go no raw, give me a low, give me ya we me languages. I'm have gbe me utoka. At least I beg me, but me here really la way. You know? So the causing of fight where you the cause, please, not the thought say that people they look for your trouble. Nobody they look for your trouble. Nobody they look for your trouble. But even me, we be written on they look for your trouble because you na my family project. A family project in me, now me go see decide say bet me they go. I don't want to talk about them, but for real, you are a family project to me. Yes, a family project in me. Take it or leave it. Maybe me myself be your family project too, but the truth of the matter is that you are my family project, whether you like it or not. I don't feel go try another person for Facebook like this, say, be my family project now. No, ira me jeme ma uyo to. Ni ama uyo to be a platform me. Be ni meje. Ira me jeme uyo to be platform we. Ni wa uyo to ya unya gba. Ni am a property be that I can inherit anytime, I can jump into it and take and use it the time I like because it's my family property. The only solution for Monikia case, if you people want to buy Monikia, ignore her totally. She will lose her fans and she will be forced into her house. We know what will be the solution to a problem. Me we be Rita, I know. Say it's good to ignore her. Not because I will be say I know the finances where they ignore her. Not to say I know na fear the fear. Not be me the talk to run for yes. Not be fear or anything or get what you want to me. No. But now me, now I sit down here so I see the talk about her. You get why, my people. So you see this Ijore when you sit down, the talk say Ijore they look for your trouble. Ijore is not a troublemaker. She don't look for your trouble. You can't go and carry fake settlements, go meet person. At the end of the day, that same settlement, you will record down. You will record down. You will say you want to go use and do pay show. Person when you they constantly they poke. Since when you and Ijore settle, if Ijore say me you can't give her money where you hold and you fit pay. You know how much you hold her? You hold her big money when you don't use and take collect since when you do the settlement, no matter what you there, no ya go via yao. Because of a truth, she really collect settlement. She really wanted settlement, and you know it. Now make you they say, wake big me and go when Nigeria was like benag. If person ignore, it can frustrate, especially when it be say na person where you get eye for. Because somebody like you really get your eye there, your eye the entire body well. And your body your eye the enter my body too well. Your eye the enter my body now. The enter 2-4 age. Oh, wegele, you really get eye for me. It be like person where they admire woman where like. Now so your eye be for my body. Now so it still be for your body. If you have a general yes friend way, your eye they enter their body way. People that you really want them to be talking about you. They will really carry share, sit down, they talk about you. It makes you feel good. Not that I don't know. It makes you feel special when these kind of people are sitting down and talking about you. But I will quickly let you to know that Ijore pay show where you go organize. You don't get what you want to for inside. The audio where you say you get, now the one where you record for. Why you not do pay show before that time? If really say audio day for Ijore, the way we want to do basketballs, where she can't come out for outside, can't carry hand, go up on the say any cow. That one where you take laugh and say you see, go see come outside, can't do any cow. Why you not play the audio? You for player. Why you not play at that time when they do basketballs? There was nothing to play. So now that settlement audio, now I deal with you. There was nothing to talk about. Now that settlement, now there you for record and go keep. Say now don't settle. So Facebook people, anybody who wants settle with you, if you not put on for outside, now wrong. Anybody who wants settle with you, you know I made that settlement. They Facebook make you what the washer. Now lie. Now me use my mouth tell Ijore where she call me saying, "Why settle when my sister?" Okay, me live video me nani day. Live video straight and direct. When the rain manana, it could date a settlement in that trash online. The whole world would contribute. When then I money, même boy bali settlement a kweni. Na mule zie ken real do ya vieve no do ya record on way. Do a chat women your pan die you but whereas nothing. Just to fit take €1 or €2 or €3 put for your pocket. You can use and take life for everywhere. People when they hear and go to say that better thing they your hand. They go even to say that better thing you get. Whereas nothing. It was just the same thing where she use her mouth to tell her followers for day. The same thing where your prophetess tell me for Isaiah for ye. Now that same thing I did with you. But if you can't hold on, you can't be breathe on top of her like say you will better thing. You don't get anything. Or if you still sit down say you want call now, me wanna call listen you. The time when they say they get my audio, not be this live video now day. I be not here on the time when they say Mama Rita, come and listen to audio. Papa Rita, come and listen to audio. All of you was really packing. People they pack now. Me just do like this. I quack me. I relax myself. Because I don't feel they talky. I tell my fans say nothing day where they won't play. They are looking for attention and view. Attention and view now they define. When I tell them I say nothing day where they won't play, now believe me. At the end of the day, when I don't see one audio, where they will tell you say that Mama Rita audio be this. I been a Papa Rita audio. Now it be this one. If he did, they go use and shop till they die. They go they play and they rewind down every day. They go they play and they're not gonna waste time. Even the time where Mugu lost, they breathe on top of Mugu lost be like person where he lose direction of life. As they do my saga, they look at me, they laugh when they do my saga. I say man outside one day they laugh because they sweat for mania Bogata. There was nothing important where they thought you be like person with the kiza. where you sit down, they begin the kizard, they say, me, I just do this thing, take us attention. At the end of the day, could you retain the people you call? The people where you use Rita audio, take call. Rita Mama audio, come and listen, you keep them. You couldn't keep them. Were you able to keep those people? No way. But you call them, they really come to come listen. At the end of the day, when they come reach where you feel keep them. How you want to keep them? They are not your own. You call them. It be like the people where you want call so. Say, me una come listen, the time where I want play, the time where I hear you what they call people for my own, they say, me una come oh, I get what I want talk for Rita. I get what I want talk for Papa. I get what I want talk. You want confess. Did you keep them? That is the question. Are you going to keep those people? Because if you cannot keep them, forget it. Forget it. Forget it. Because the time when they will come once, come twice, they say, I say, area was 7 up by where they be breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. If you get audio, you go salon. If you salon and finish, if you see get maybe important one in case of the future, you keep up. Then you move on with your life and start doing something. You don't need to come they say breaking news, audio. If they reach there, you come they talk another thing. Wait till you take call them different. Wait till you come tell them when they reach there is different. And may una not also forget, say for this live video that they do what they call editing. Editing of audio. That is why audio where they do patient na so like na full inside. Yes. Like na they full inside audio where they do patient because it's full of editing. Before that they bring audio come out for pay show, they don't sit down and go edit am. The place where they for talk for inside, they will cut am. They will remove am. Audio cutting and editing not be difficult. It's very easy. Now for you to just put on for laptop, where go cut or day phone where no. If application full there, where you tell remove the place where you don't want make people hear, where you for talk, you will use them, remove them. You will leave the place where that one for talk. Mash the two ways together. You come be like say, now only angels they want the something. Whereas nothing like that, you know the. She saga you with 65 views. I was laughing. Yes, yeah, she not care. I even do say now one. So far she saga na be on. So my people, for you to the look, it be like waiting. Now make me Kate. Kate I not go ever feel like her. When they say that they like person, yet he like me because a big character you want now all go. Same character. Not what I remember. All go Kate. He can't come meet me for his house, but the mission where he carry come was different from mission where he come. The mission where he carry come was me I can't draw anybody me I record down. He not the free for person. I'm not saying I want to go at the movie party say no chop. He not go chop because he ain't free no malaria. But you carry friendship come meet me. Me una dey wait for them. He and easy and unda. Me una see what go happen for this live video. Me una see the way audio go they fly for her. The audio way they don't already get for themselves as me and una they talk so. Trailer no fit pack am. Yes. Trailer no fit pack am, not be joke. They get audio where many. Small come out for inside that day. That small audio we play for here where he come they talk say Miss Sarah can't take this one. Not be person recorder. That conversation with two of them come they conversate. Who record that conversation? Now see and say they bring her come out today. The reason why they don't bring her come out when they don't talk is that they have a common enemy already that they are pursuing. So they want to concentrate. May they not disgrace themselves. They just let bygone be bygone. But na person record that audio. Now one of the recorders send and go give Sarah. Who send and go give Sarah? Or who send and go give who give her to Sarah? Not be person send her. Na person send her and one of the recorders who did that recording na Kate. Now only Kate they run, they quit, they record people like that, they keep her for day of fighting. Eh Kate no wamiena. Audio no wagwe Kate. Even ya saw mugu love no gwe. Or you get the Facebook na mana mi ya. Why till ya leve to salobo sabuaru wawa. Or wawa ni binani swen wason akbe ya. Ni ma ya. Audio we dey with her. With Ian why they day for this Facebook. In many way their phone carry load for audio matter. Now they survive. If audio not do again, it go be like say their life they reduce. When audio go come, Ian will baby ya bobo. Ian even a women audio man or audio yari go back mo. Na so their life be. See ya, Mona see the time where their this thing go start. Especially Mugu lost in Owaro. Ijene o audio where Mugu lost get. Oh, if you go to hear my word now, you go say, oh, Rita Wageli wa yen so wa. Iye we me ni ati e Mugu good. Iwa yen we kakabo. Audio we dey with you. Audio we can take care take call you. We una take do mama. Wait, take call you wanna take the talk about Sarah. No, why ya gossip Sarah wa ki ari spin wa pe yamana. Me aze o ze fa you egbe. Me hian ro awe. Je me hian ze fa you egbe. Wa pe mama we love you na ni ma. Ekbe o, it go let take time. But now ye now we go dey una call us say wa do dam ho. My be ade. My do ya gagbegbe. My ya dam ya go do ni ya. No wa viole ni. Now come play everything for this live video for all of us me we listen to. Now so it be. Audio, none of them will not get audio when they keep for themselves. Will not be record down for themselves. Say the day of fight, you bring and come out. That's why I say within themselves. It's just that their common enemy when they get say na to fall it. May we fall it down. May it enter house. Now make una see and say they do their self like this. Iyamaba like egbiyan. Audio, if you look their phone, audio way food their phone for one another. In many where they want to saga themselves in the future, where they want to give you. And Mugu love audio ogeni. Oh, why ko wa make sure we rock ma we asaka ma seva. Ikiamado tiriye. E phone ni ahiare ya gbe mugyogun no dole ye gege. Because a voice ke take care of we man orere no. I am on afan I am a view in the nearest future na be this. Owe Mugu go to no waru way. O me wa yo bobo wo ehin ambo ni ari ke no ni ji o wa ti if telephone ni. Fa ba me la ba no meton ajesi me no gi gba mi dan. It just may no give one down. I'll just use my hand and my legs sit down for my ass. I'll carry phone, you come go low. Tore live video ni go this gaga for live video. For Isaiah, I'll just say I want to call human being like that. The lowest of all the meat in the bush. I'll come say I want to go call her. The lowest or the smallest of all the momo in the soup. I'll say I want to go call her. The slowest of all the cockroach in the cupboard. I'll say I want to go call her. The tasteless of all the sugar in the market. I'll say I want to go call her. Tell her waiting me I want to discuss. So una go see this Kate so Ketekia where they say I don't know fashion. So say fashion designer supposed to sue me. Say fashion designer supposed to sue me, make them send me to jail. Say I don't know fashion. Why give me a week be then you ask you know. A panty ni a journey at time you win tab in a picture ni a money baby a your river center. If to say that Mugu love wake up in the night, may go peace. Go your carry phone face kids nyash. Because at the same hotel they sleep. Now see all of them when the time come. Why it's just don't know what they talk. He go just carry phone, go softly. Atato war, and it me a war because it me a way Mugu love color there. We love it you now. Mugu love finger ne. Why my make me a way we love it you now. I don't know who carry it me a way on this live video. If I carry it me a way for live video now. Una go see Kate it me away. We never see where una Mugu love go show us. Kate nyash. If they sleep for night, the way they throw her for bed. Mugu love go come show us. One time, cause they say phone. If they are phone where she get her, she keep her. She keep her. That day, Okpobi ya jowe hotel ni. Even though say now only 1 day, 2 days, now they stay for that hotel now Okpobi. Now they go. They not sleep, better sleep. Maybe not believe me. Because a Kate here TV you say we can Mugu love you lie. Maybe sleep just take on 1 hour. Go say, hey, you get your the video money send the more tattoo. They get said do bet. Me must have fast for one who win here for video. Because he make bawa. Then he yak bawa se painting on why am I little day. The time we are to carry fake relationship. I don't see the way I take drive and drive prophetess. Get away, go. Now we go. The woman say, may I put her for speaker? May I put her on anyone to arena? We wait for him. Maybe don't already did there. She go even here now. We are down one now. And you next baby, I know when you land. Why not even me? Let me quickly carry my phone, come out at the record, and I fear you with the because I know the way we will not be. We see you now every day for this live video. We don't already rule now. Our believe people say, "I know me who you want to go lack baby no." Now so. Now it be. So for that hotel, we then go for that Spain. I've got a revelation. The time where they take care the sheet for toilet, where the sheet they fall, boom, boom. The record the day with Mugu goat. A record in where Mugu go to war. He day phone. He go say, come on, I come here, come here, breaking news. He go just play, you hear, boom. He go say that he shit that for toilet that time. In same way, e can take care day latrine. Go tell una say na for toilet for that area. Mona see what's in If they don't try their best just now, they not fit for me. Now we are stand put now assistant, they not fit do me anything. They will begin to fight themselves. Why watch it? Twin chocolate or okay. I'm a patient. Alright? Then even Ketekia record the day with them where the time when Yamugu goat, they gather, they discuss my matter. That record day with them. Now my matter, Sarah matter, and Sarah matter, and my matter, and I just be the something. Kids get them. You deal with them for his iPhone. One year, then he also want baby YouTube, and then also want baby Facebook. Auto I wouldn't. Yeah, even sell it, but I send all of us go they go. Maybe if I come for work, I'll just still go. I knew where to. I'll still go listen. Say I want go listen you. Yeah, any zone. Everything you deal with take care of my people. Now true I tell you na so wajamenji be able make it even ya before. Matter what I'm wana. As they talk because immediately the phone for go ring. Work my yeah, go to that. No Google to we not be offended this Facebook. Oh work my recording. Only what yo. No be only she get her, even Google self get her. When they tell one they pursue one enemy they go. They want fight her. One me we no hear. One me we no hear any. Now that time I talk see Jimmy Rita talk this matter. He talk cancel the way they with all these people. When I say that small discussion, now people take talk for phone, they agree before they come say me go gather lodge for hotel. I have a discussion say ba. A discussion they get there no. So that one, it can be another one too. Easy down. Recording where you deal with Kate. Your salo. Easy down on the if you know the record Kate too. The way when me tell know all of them, now they tell na so. If you just the talk to Kate for free. But after you can't hear a recording the other day where you come out with Kate record, maybe she self will come the record too. But you get free spirited heart past Kate. Kate kia. Easy down spirit free past Kate kia. He pass Ketekia on easy, free. Pass Ketekia for spirit. Ketekia will be inside. The inferiority complex with the worry kids, now so it be. So the record the way he go get for easy, because he knows say the day where easy go say I want beat you, Roy. It be Roy or be wa. For that reason, he record now I am me who be. I am me who boy, what do damn ho? What do damn ho? So you don't the record. You don't the record that one. Even that one personal life problem we tell like don't record all of them. You day phone. A personal life for one. No time I ya go away from record the you Tony. Yes. You get I hear one presenter way to say don't get presenter way not the record. You can be truthful. That can be true. But all these people where we they talk so you record this and not day toilet. If shit fall for toilet, they record down. They record speed. If you want speed to wait, say Twe. This year, I want your speed out away. Maybe speed they worry me. They record and they grab her and then they keep the picture for their phone because they know they okay with themselves personally. Because in the you have a problem with their own personal life. They record the sound of shit and the sound of peace for toilets. You record the year. Now so at what this be. At what know they gather the record any person. No, you get the top fan where they like to the record. Top fan. Somebody like me now, you're comfort for a hand because me na top. I be now my top fan in be. Me na one kind big fish to Atuari. Say you go fit see me record. That one for too sweet and for inside. They come they say, see the way I come they look for settlement for my aunt for inside house. See the way you come they talk. I come they say, I mean I just if all those kind of things. Those important kind of recording. If you record down where if you keep all those one. Now so them be you not see the one where if hear you a brother take all of the way the time where if hear they know they fight for her. He quickly go keep and say, hey Jimmy, this one go important in the near future. Me I don't throw away anyhow like that so that when the time comes, bring and come out, I'll come use them. So my people now so them be now cause and we be say their play. I know they look and they are not believe in their play. And they look they like yeah people toy. When person sit they play when you don't get anything to talk. Yeah even yako na go ya dadzi na more. Ni dojinya yako. Ya vunya mulade mi ya evita. Me ya kpadinya more. Ado fekole ale ariya yen ba to save suya sosiyo. Amu atie Facebook finish. Apart from that one, wetin baju waya we gbe. Ama we say person wan near una. One come dey follow una dey play. One get wetin one follow una do. Yo salo bois. Oba no metuan. So my lovely people, na be that one. This thing where he put ebo na to ari ujian na they call ebo ugboriri. Ebo ugboriri na they do for them. Ugboriri ni agboriri muya. Ni agboriri muya gbiri. Ya atogo me ni if I dey talk their own, they not talk my own. Ya me mu ni ka. Ya me mu ni ka o ha muya. O me muya ebo ugboriri. Na be ebo ugboriri way they do for their heads. Not be me oh, because that kind of thing no dey work for me. So this a book the way they do for them. Now make they fear me, they fear me. But the truth of the matter is that this time around, there are some sensible people, they not they fear you. If to say not be this, you know, say me, I not go saga you regularly. But it gets some kind of things will go happen. I'll come analyze you. You are the analyze you. The way where you take they settle down, they analyze me when something happen. I feel just to settle down, not be on the regular. I'll just because I get people when I the saga straight away now. We never finish for ground. Anyway, the saga my we are finished any my saga. Important or important. I do analyze it. Maybe something soon that me ban what the dada mo in way. Maybe something see happen to you what the madam would there. You move your table. You got law again to you got phone. Then if you me unwo, if you me if you la diamba. Na so it be. Say how you consider on the regular. No, I not go do that one with you. Because I get people with me and they do and have kids. Am I finish am I a certificate in one bow? Am I back on your way? Am I money out here? Am I a queen this thing? Your mom worry kitty. Am I immune? Why my phone here? That one can be that one. And easy. Am I even finish or easy river? Get it. So I think what your way by video. When I analyze it, maybe me as soon that way. Like this one, the jury will say that way, Murray to move him. You low by the yakiri. 9. So my people, now see the pay show where they put for table. You not get where they go. Now settlement audio where you already follow and talk. Where she take this sincere, take talk. Her mind say, he go man like me. Or that for me man like me. My husband don't like problem. My household don't like problem. Just like they talking for Facebook. Gia settle. Mom, my sister. Gia settle na cool. Na in day. No other thing. I not be begging. Not be beg you. It's just a normal talk. Where normal people they gather the talk to one another. So if she they add pepper, they ask Maggie. Now see and because now watch her. Even the people where pay go listen to her, and the one where not pay go listen to her same time, live and direct for social media. So if you they add pepper, they add Maggie, they add suya, the same. What be here? On you way, we know ya tell. What's now I miss call? You for pick that call that day, but you never quick you collect from where you want to record the jury. Now cause where you not pick that call. The reason why you not pick the missed call we give you that very day of that settlement, you might settlement when you record the YouTube. Now so some of them they do one. If you call them, they will quickly leave your phone. Because they never arrange themselves when they want to pick up. They will come call you back when they will don't arrange you waiting the order. They wait say me I not call you, me you not see the missed call go show the word because they are the people who are planning evil. You are not planning anything. Then when you will come call back, don't already this way marry away me, you will come put the record for granted, go enter. Unfortunately, you already given that miss call, you not call back again. She not come back, you already self not still call. You not still call. This thing just ain't like that because now me can tell and say I don't need the settlement. Now me cannot call back. You tell her say now way, money there, la wo. I don't need all those things. Why I see less again? Yes, I look by you. Imagwalo. She say now way oh, me man believe you. Oh, settlement not there yet. This one, yeah, dear, we will there. Be careful or record you. I even tell you that day. I was straight to her, tell her, I say, go record you. Go record you. Come play for live video. Be careful, eh? Not follow and talk anything. Go record you. Or record you where we go where you lay. Or record you when not to play a live video. You know they follow you find settlements. I be you know they see the writing on the word. So Ketekia, you were they always they talk about Rita, this and that. Go collect your nude, though. Your nude day with Mugi Love. If you don't know, now me you know. That day when I stay for hotel that day. Maybe after 2 away. Not be even maybe after 2 away with Mugu Love. Take it or leave it. A Mugu goat. After 2 away go. Uvon is our go. A 2 away go. Or maybe I can not where it be true. Or snap a one thing from you. Something is with her. Time go come. You will see her. The poking will come increase. When you go put matter for ground, or the jump if you can't All the matter where they Facebook, they don't talk and finish. Which one quite important for inside where I can jump with your wicket in Orutona. Just like the way we are to already define your since. Matter, my own, they don't use a church, I am monetizing it. It's not quite important again. If you can't, the people, if you can't retake terror. It's not going to get a CB. If you talk nothing too much, you go lose value. Now you make a carry that urine, they are join and say, which other one I want to join and now me come be like say, the thing come fresh again. Me fresh again. Now me can add that urine joiner. All right. See, it's not fresh. It's not fresh. Now just for you to be able to draw your attention, me she can't reply because you know say if you talk to run, people they talk say you know insult time for the video. Oh go on better gbiju up by bonanti you know one. Person where you say two of una don't settle, una not they get problem or una no one they talk to each other again. Every time you must analyze them. Can you take it? No way. Can you take it for people to analyze you on a daily basis? When you make big platform no one, you go carry you go there, they analyze you every day. You women know. You will take her for 2 days. 2 times. One time you know go take her not to talk of 2 times. What if be 2 times? 2 times too big. One time you know go even take her. Where take a where can analyze way on the that one analyze way. Unless maybe that person is a starter. It's a starter. Maya where we go with video ni. Oh we are now. Okay, tell you where we go with video ni. Where do one? Where your man we go. As he can't talk, you say you look for my trouble. Nobody follow you did that one. You want your fake account. Now the person where they support you. Who where that be fake account no give away day. Now they support this kind of nonsense. No other person will bring correct for your head. We go support this kind of nonsense. It's not there. Normal human being. It's not there. Unless say all the dead body way full Facebook will be like say that they redefine the downfall of Edo people. They are looking for the downfall of Edo people. Now you say that they support. They want support this kind of thing when they don't know where the truth they come from. See as you run, carry and go your platform, go design face, go do like that. Person where you they insult on a daily basis, we never talk to you one day. The day only one day where you come open mouth, now you go put on for there. She not a bit do pay show. But you look like say my way level back at the moment level way. So not when they cry, they say not when they cry, they say don't be say I they fight for you, no, but I they analyze what I see for outside. Just like the way they analyze the matters where you see for outside we concern me since. It's just the same way. I don't believe say you can't say I fight for you for waiting. Were you fighting for people that you were analyzing my matter with them? No. You were just talking what you see on the street. Now you can't talk. Don't be say you fight for them. Now so it be my people. What did the apple for say here now? You see, Rita, you don't sleep, not be you. I'll sleep, but sleep never come. The time we sleep will take on now to sleep. So, people, my people, that is the content of the pay show. Waiting did the pay show and the settlement of that. She don't already use her mouth to talk her. For our side, we did the pay show. Not be money matter. Say money, maybe the money they pay the person, or money where you want gain the pay person. But stop destroying the real characters of people because of say you want gain money. And whereas now what they can pay you pass, now that one person do want to you. Try to you any small thing you say they lie for my head, they lie for my head though. Now lie put for my head though. Now lie put for my head though. Lie. When you get sit down the park put for people body on a daily basis, you know they won't think her. Those things not they occur to you say na lie. You know they occur to you what you are doing say it's not good. Now you they complain. Another thing when I remember, you they complain say whether now only you talk proof for your matter. Really? The day when you say made that lady way they do music for Benin come beat me, may beat me where me I die. Anybody way talk put may beat me where. Now let me talk put. Not be you be the first person we first talk put. But why you come out, come say me the lady come the challenge us. Where you know, say you also talk put, everybody talk put. So you see, sometimes the things you give people, you can't take it. The things where you they open people mouth, who are you where are you setting you? Where me who set it download there. It be where you Egbe ya nyowe. Wetiri ye, but like no ye on a free will. Mean they give out to people. For waiting now. You say you want person does settle. Which kind of quest settlement be that one? You carry and come out analyze and every day you dey analyze the video. Not you go they analyze the video. You will say two of them don't settle. It matter when you to kill that video you own. Ne wa mwe bogbe. But to go wa settle. Ne aga way ya. I way. So I may be people say biaya. I why na ya we biggie. I ya bo here into. We ya we biggie even when I way. Okay, I want my kaya would be wearing. Because not be only you they give monopoly of bullying people. Work by me are certificate bullying where you won't work by me right now. You bully him to super. Imanike one. Whereas I got a bullying in way where you are so devil. She say one video make Yore do for her first. Yes, he say Yore for do one video for her. And I don't hear that kind of thing for this Facebook before. You say adults like you for fair one you. Eh, one in and we take Besera waba. You don't forget the day when you nearly kiss Sarah. Say, why Sarah don't want you? Why Sarah come and can't want you? That one say, you say why he can't want you for waiting. Honor don't want anywhere. You diverse because he can't apologize to Rita. Say why she go even want you. But this same warning where you nearly kiss somebody another person for. Now you the beg is you say why he not tell you now before he come bombard you. And do not beg go boy cocoon. Why he not come want you first? Say. Why you they talk about the video? Why? The time when you they talk about my mama before you carry, you want me? I be the carry that matter give you now your own. Not be you say you don't get hard for inside, you don't know as they go to arrest them for us. But you are the masterminder. Till today you say you are not the masterminder. But now you use them. Now only you they get boldness to tell you now me use up the monetize page, but you are not the masterminder. Woman die. But they carry that thing give you. You want me? When wanting me, what do you want even want me for to even start with? Say, what will you want me for? Already, the thing where you see say you already do so where they face the program, get better program where they run for live video. Or man, that's what I not to tell me where you get as they do you for body. Because you not consider me, you can't talk about you, you not keke, you not be mufwane, you not be rane. Constantly sit down, they talk about you. But that is what you want. The important people where they live video who are forced going on the daily basis now lie. It's all no. Now that one won't give you relevancy. That one is not what's supposed to give you relevancy at all. You know? Now what's in? Be this again. Peace, I will block you. Not comment any year for year, I'll just block you. Man, I platform one, I comment any year. So, my lovely Ayemiamo people, now that one be waiting, I can't talk. The content of that page shoe, now be that one, no, that thing, that settlement, now waiting there inside. And the time when she done they get Yuri for mind, say she want to deal with Yuri. That prophetess will come from her. Now then go manipulate them because that prophetess, after he don't do that settlement with Yuri, the prophetess go call her for a platform. I heard that live video that they are here. He called for a platform. They come, they join and they celebrate, say he don't win her. He don't win the something. So the prophetess is very close to her like this. Now one of them, we said that GPC na him be. So that same prophetess, he agreed, talk and say he don't deal with Yuri again, say now this side na him can do this time around. So that audio is a fake. It's null and void. That prophetess, fi don't go tell her something. Say, odo atama meni do imi away. Odo atama meni do wonona. No make that me ya we pay shoe. Now cause I will be say the audio way there with me. I felt blow her at that time. Quickly blow her. Made the word here and say, now our conversation be this. Now you they even they talk. Now me they listen. I know open my mouth they follow you. Talk one thing. I know open because I know say you be waju. I know say now why you now you be. So that prophetess Anna, if any other audio they will not be your voice, now that prophetess voice now it be. Yes. Now that prophetess voice now it be waiting to manipulate the something. They say, oh when you don't me aware, or when you don't want to know about utomi we no ne. All of us for this live video, we don't already know you. If you talk one thing, I'll first go look time. Go look and say which time they talk. So this thing not true. Is it 8 o'clock? that prophetess na Beck Mark. Thank you. Blessing, Benediction, God bless you. Now your name I dey try to remember. Say now Beck Mark. Now they call her. Now be the woman where they call Beck Mark for their side. Where they say, Mommy Beck Mark, Mommy Beck Mark, Mommy Beck. Now she be Beck Mark. You're a prophetess. Yes. Now her name for that Facebook where they follow the name be Beck Mark. Now be the name. I be a where prophetess. Boy Beck Mark. Oh, he laughing now. How can what matter? The Beck Mark where you will be for this side. Yeah, every time. Mommy Beck Mark. Mommy Beck Mark. So if any audio day where they play, now that your same voice. Now the thing where you go organize, where you go follow, then go talk. Now in that audio. A Beck Mark. Where? Or where audio no samba we say woman me. Thank God say you know fit cash me. You see? Yes, somebody say she was fooled and set up. Exactly. Now set up. So that same setup. The carry and commit me. Me just I saw it. Comment to say this is fake. Settlement will not be fake. Now live video if you do, and she will be willing to talk on live video. As everybody did live video, so you go call inside. Mais non, Erita, la organion pani you ni uge na yes. Or you go agree say as me talk and say ya we be live video. You go agree say yes. We be live video. You don't want that one. You define the one where you want to do for yourself. As a person you come open up, come follow you talk. If you talk finish, you go keep and make you use and take do a show tomorrow. All the prophetess who did live video, which kind of God do not deserve? That was Haloban Waga. No, they fear God. No, they have prophetess join their name. God is there. They exist. So I don't know say God. Una go they use God money till they put my gift for people to do. Una they use God name till they put my gift for people to do. Now they use God name till they destroy. Now they use God name till they lie. Now they use God name till they hook head together. Now they use God name till they frustrate people. Person where he say he come close to you, now he hear prophetess, he open up for you, he come close to you, not being that they talk say they won't play the video today. Person where he open up to you because say you be prophetess, not being that they talk now say they want go use to do patient. So tell me how your name prophetess is going to encourage another person tomorrow to listen to a prophetess. Not be prophetess, not be then take gang up for live video, take conspire, go my parents' house. Tell me how na name where they call prophetess go fee encourage one person one day say person you can't come here where they go say I be prophetess. La wo when I went prophetess of doom. I no ever one day believe in that name prophetess. I don't do prophets. So why will I believe in prophetess? Prophets of doom then. Prophets of doom na full aside so who na the see for aside. So that you say Beck Mark na pit toilet bestie. Abi na I bestie. So now all those them now then gotta go do all those manipulation. They manipulate Yuri. Straight manipulation. Straight manipulation. Now then give and take manipulate and take collect word for a month so that they go use in the nearest future. So that they'll go keep for grant. Now so all of them be not be only one person. Then Kate on the come. Why me of the audio agbe and the see sir audio dinner. Wazigbe. Hello. EJ. Good evening. Really live video.
So that Beck Mark, Becky, now they call her when they Momijori say at that time, if now she, Momijori even block her because so bad comment now she they write, they insult people for online, Momijori can't block her. Now you take them off for them, go join this Ayo Waso.
Okay, they block her for salt and water.
Becky, I just surprised say Momijori know if now she called Momijori, or Momijori no go know her voice.
Now she be the Beck Mark, you know you're a prophetess.
Because Momijori block her for our side, he just block her. Because also back comment, there is some people for life, if they with us that time. We they want to say, if you continue this with your bad comment, you don't even block and reach, almost 3 times.
Which kind of comment you can't comment that time? What will be the thing we can write?
Becky, we all know as Becky for that side.
Yes, but what will can the right? What will be the bad comments where they write?
He go they fight people, commenters. He go they fight anybody where he call.
My brother, it's like give me now.
They go just they fight everybody, they write back comments, they fight people. You understand? So they'll call the complain offer for them, say make Momijori block and say the which they use comment they fight they not like her, not they behave like member. We don't even block her reach 3 times for them. The Momijori go see on block her. You understand? Before you can finally block her when you take come out that they can't go join Ayo Waso. Now that the same Becky. Momijori don't prefer for that side. I suppose Momijori don't know so that the woman. Then they can, you just go pretend say na prophetess like she be. She put the same Mom Yuri.
So now that one driving for there.
Mom Yuri don't push her for that side, don't block her for that side. You understand? Mom Yuri no, maybe she go put something for man, say talk to Mom Yuri. Mom Yuri no know say na that the same woman na he be. He go say na prophetess because he know if he talk say na Becky, Mom Yuri no go man because he don't already block her for that side.
Yeah, no.
Because the woman they behave
because
like
Hamilton no say na she be Beckmark. When they do that video finish, that settlement, that face settlement they carry on. She go enter line. When she enter line, say she want to talk to her.
If Mom Yuri they fight at you at that time, she go say Mom Yuri leave her. He just pretend call them Mom Yuri. Now you was side now he just the right for time. He just pretend carry one like come join us before. He no face them. Mom Yuri even block and come out for there. Everybody know the person with the talk so for that line. People they follow Mom Yuri right from time. Now Becky, Mom Yuri don't block and reach almost 4 to 3 times for there. You go see beg, go click on Mom Yuri, go see beg, they'll see your blocker. The last one you go do that, the Mom Yuri come block and finally. Now you go to just go join and you are food first. Now stupid woman, I just surprised I said Mom Yuri no cash invoice. I Mom Yuri remember invoice na Becky, if I'm not even mad. Na Becky, it go the way they be like so you say you're correct say.
If anybody
they give testimony, you go they use the comment they fight. If anybody they write comment for them, you go they use the comment they fight person with cause.
It's a give
Can you imagine? Then they can figure you know say you know they like all those things. Now you want they like all those things, then you go join with full force.
Maybe that prophetess, the time where they even me I tell you the audio way get.
Not the prophetess. Now she just want use her shop name.
Yes.
She not the prophetess.
Una know the audio. Now we see the trace they go so. The time where that prophetess or that Beckmark go they follow you already talk for line. You go put ayo you for line.
Bless will go over fair the invoice. Say what did they sing from Mom Yuri that time?
Mona go find and Mona bring that come. That same voice. Let me compare with the audio way I get. Me I bring the audio come out again.
Because they sing for Mom Yuri that time. If they sing all those Nika song, if they sing that for Mom Yuri that time.
You know what happened? Me I listen to this caller first. Sorry. Another person they try to call. You see hello.
Hey, Mommy Rita.
Koje. Domano ga neru no vie, do via mano mani ga neru na. Okay.
Mommy Yuri, if yes, son, or what a bono, I hear you, we ye or bono, you know, okay, or bono.
Or Bonnie night prophetess.
Yes, your bono, you know, okay, more again, Mommy Yuri are blockade or blockade. Oh, where they my house, me they call me. I know one next year, bono, home and move. You block I see by my in now Pune, or the last one. Again, Monica,
Mona share this video, my people. Mona help me share on this new platform.
It's somewhere may I use it. It's somewhere more your Monica and Lolo can get problem. When they say Mario Gimala, one of the Atami Yore, Mario Gimala, why you're not done every line. He then let your funny Agate or Lori or you will load it or near Gatia, Gano. On a find the winner. A Beckmark is well done. I mean, one table, especially if you're son of your family, I don't know when we met them. I will a picture of Papa will maybe again your
mi agwale voice agwale ya mu voice ni ya la dia kana
Apa maybe a man sort of water minister ka mi ene de mo mi yore am power money ma mi play me e mi na na obi yore e picture ka la dia ona ma yore na magun ya ewe ga gbe Becky owo na no ona gbe ye comment na no ifase na mi e picture ka la dia we no iwe me say yeah maybe e ma ga dan me ho na we e ma taita
Ije when me no you know say IDG IDG you know say during the time when they don't plan this settlement setup with Iyore now waiting this Beckmark do na be this if he call Iyore he go dey follow Iyore dey talk but Ayoyowa go dey listen to everything for under and Ayoyowa fit dey record that conversation na so they take dey work oh na so they take dey waka. Yes, I know. Akiko do one to me. Akiko was saying that my cousin do one to me. He called me. He dey follow me, they talk. He tell me say he want put Atuari for line. But that one he tell me not do one for my back. He say he want put on. He put that one for line. Two of them come they talk. Me come also they hear waiting they talk. Now that I come they fear them. Because they are mad I get the way they be. You call this one put on for line. Call the other one put on for line. Oh, you know all this small setup they their blood. I don't know why I be like that. They carry a rich way.
We just see trouble. Your day Monica place now. There you go meet Monica. Now
yes.
Trouble maker. Everybody just know. We just know. If he don't want to Iyore, he not going to follow Iyore again. They don't go hate Iyore. But if not, that will not be evil. Let's say put something for mad. But maybe the person yesterday went to pray for that we don't it's so yesterday because they don't they pay for that his daughter yesterday go that program where yesterday where they talk like congratulations God don't see God they pray for our first daughter.
Yeah, LG only record there because the way when you want it ya even
maybe my dad my party ni magawi ye my party ni magawi worry about this water we who ma paroga re jenny no na wa ba ma ya na ge lo party ni Iyore ya ku re ni iye we di avati re oro me phone ya send the egwe nuge ye na we wa party re na ya wa party so and water we ni we know Becky na oye was try na
no Beckmark na you when ya munya e me desensitive be na immediately Atuari join line when you want to talk about it and the settlement because the settlement concern me. I sit down across leg at they listen to and say me I hear what you want to talk. As they talk. He called they congratulate the prophetess, the Beckmark. On in that year you were on in that one. O holy never have a fact when you in any prophetess in a okay. A Beckmark no nata. This trouble this one way they sit down for troublemaking platform 24 hours. Yeah, here go say for where a mommy Monica otie wa me we no Juna. Now they call her. You know where I wanna quit prophetess no mommy na there now started to suspect her.
They know what we offer and I tell me this what tell me this again Iyore atawe if you say I'm with me a lot of me na we fit what say here to now where mana do atere culture gi mana we my police mo wa wo tesa ano gele logo ese say police mo gbo logo mana ata oyi what la dana wa ta we ni no wa gu ere ekeniya yo we sa wa no we ma ta gbe ele no na gbo no we wa si o ma ni la de wa gbe yes wo me like owo ye wa se ni no wa la da do re yen ta na meta wa ta wa gu ere wa se la de wa gbe Beckmark ma o ena yoga le rune no de yoga ama we so in the record no ya wa vati ni mom Iyore he has sent there wa mi
somebody say thank God Rita you didn't fall for her now I person wey come the best when they go meet my mother for us now those plan I person wey the plan do everything go meet my parents for us they were looking for my audio looking for mama audio looking for my family audio the reason why they run still go meet my family for us go do all those conspiracy thank you EJ Wesi the reason why me then they do nine. This one where they collect so the time where that prophetess come they follow Iyore they talk. You were they down. If they put on for down, all down you able to all record them ya fe. Or about Johnny can I warn you a story where then we are tired a problem je vois. Iyore fan no my prophetess. Kama we the problem in je si as problem be no say na we la video every time maybe dog later the depression worry maybe din yen gbe problem any na a prophetess in your time Because during the day of that settlement day, Nain Ijore and she they talk. And only that day still give her that missed call. It don't pass there. But when they follow prophetess, they talk, when they feel say they follow prophetess talk. The prophetess is what boy, ya make sure na you was setting record the FVA boy. Na so them be. Now what them do one? Na be that one. Now be waiting they be waiting say you take boy, it boy. Ya go me, na so. Now person we say, it gets some kind callers we go call me. I know the way I take the follow callers talk for my phone. Yes, he gossip you, he ninge you, but if you boa the phone, maybe I go mangwa. If you boa ni a video, because I know they trust all these people. You don't know who send a con say call Rita. Me and did the background, me two of them, they talk go make friends with her. He get my woman for Canada that time. He want drag me to this kind of level now. He want to be friendly with me to the extent that I'll come to tell her my personal life. Now I tell her on live. Na Canada he dey, and most of the fans na Canada na end of the day. That time they find wetin wanted for me, back, they find her. They find her. The woman was now asking private questions. He don't be my friend, be my friend, be my friend. He even sent gift for me. He asked me for my address. Wait, they send gift come. I give him for another address. I get two people for Canada like that too. One is very nice. The other one will become turn to friend. Now they tell you so. In the morning, don't call me say you any. In the afternoon, don't call me say you any. In the evening, don't call me say you any. Me self, I can't follow her with the gist, with the talk, blah blah blah. But I can't see and say the woman want to enter my private life. Now I tell you say, before you see monkey don't see you. I know they do that kind of friendship with person. You want to enter my private life, me come they say. Sometimes if we do video, if they do me video call, I worry video to the river. When die, you want to erode, you want to do all those things. Me go they look at because I know say if you the screenshot moment where you want to see, go the screenshot and go they keep and me do correct. And that time I really face my hookup. I they do my hookup way. And they don't they poke me that time. They don't they follow me up that time. They don't they poke me, they look for my trouble so that now swing me now. You know say that's how she take the start. You go they same people me then they poke you. All these their accounts, they go they poke you. Say me I block peace. Let me see. Peace. Let me block you. Not quand the constitution nous a so ça y est. Yeah. I will block you we get it for manana. When I go to try you in peace, la ou mo pa by force. Don't be by force peace. Now so not the disgrace on ourselves so. Now consider. Why do total? I never see my people don't disappear. More na wait to go. It go even hard wire. Even hard wire with the big comments ni block you. It go the woman go he carry that kind play come my people. No worry, I'll give you invitation. I say I never get passport. I'll give you invitation. Even the metamo ma go phone. Even the metave Facebook me I tell anybody no be me la phone. Even the metamo tave Facebook. Or even the me we akuse any do time away because I know the kind of life when I do so. I know the kind I know say I get enemy on cyberspace. I know say I don't get people on cyberspace. So now say they not send people come meet me for his house. They do other see. I when yak bera na ya beg and we rita oji do egbomu no. Na that kind person be. Even when Mugu lost pretend saying na Monica go record mama. He say he want go record my mother. See rita na say if you record mama. Mama na person we go school. Oji do egbomu. Eji mama record the video no me record the area la bien. For waiting. Oji e do egbomu. He say oto rita weno. O wagmi na hia. Ima egbi na second on je one day my boy my bagmi na there. He carry phone go call my mother say wagmi na hia. Wa we no GG. When it come away, or who are ebo. You see say na mama na ifweki. People wey grow up for inside market. Woman wey go school, he go school, he work for office, retire. Okay, they
This is another great bonanza to the whole world, especially my Benin Kingdom, which is Edo State and Benin City. A prayer point just came out last 2 years ago The person that bring it out, nobody else, is Iyore one of Paris, Iyore one of Benin Kingdom, Iyore one of the old world. You know a prophet have no respect in his own time. This prayer point was directed from God, and it was given to Iyore, and Iyore now bring it out for we, the children of God, to use it. It's not so difficult to use. She's not selling it. She's not stingy with it. You are the one that will buy your salt. You are the one that have your water. You will take your water inside the bucket with 2 tablespoons. After putting it inside the water, put your hands inside the water. Ask God whatever you want in your life. And God will do it for you. Those things that is not good in your life, tell God to take it away from your life. As problem, setback, no marriage, no children, no work, no documents, no moving forward. You know the devil came to steal, to kill, and to destroy. Who is this devil? Sickness is a devil. I don't have husband, it's a devil. I don't have good health. I am not moving forward. They are all devil. Just put your hands inside this water. As you are using it, don't use sponge, don't use soap. As you are putting it in your body from your head to your toe, when you have weave-on, please take it out. For the first time you are using it. As you are pouring the water on your head, be telling God to be removing those evil things, those evil clothes that the devil has weared you, that you are putting on spiritually. Because everything we are passing through on earth now, they are all spiritual battle.
So, my people, I'll go bring out. I think the lady way call now, I say na Beckmark be this. Abi? So, the audio way they with me of that prophetess, I'll go find her, bring them out this night. Maybe we can't do the comparison tomorrow. This one and the same voice, maybe we can't do one. Abi, my people. So, since when I say na Beckmark be this, I'll bring the prophetess who called me for Isaiah and this one. We'll compare it together. Then, una go know, say, this thing where you say you want to do, the patient way you want to do, then put prophetess for down, because Iyore was now opening up for prophetess. You can't follow and they talk. Now that talk where Iyore can't follow prophetess, they talk. You don't know say another person there on the ground, we carry phone, where they record, where they listen to everything, where they talk for Isaiah. I hope this one will still give some people sense. You will say you be presenter, you will do live video. Some people they follow you do friendship. Now make them come put on other people for phone. Say, damn it, Erita Gwana. Listen to an narrator they talk so. That one, even if saying on one record, but the person where they listen to the record, because he has said, even the information level, you have to arrest an information blackmailer. Information I take the show. If you not get information, you not get power. Now what you take the show, but there is an information blackmailer. And if the information not say correct, to boil your head by or could be, or you are complete. So that no make an So for that reason, if you really get your audio, now the one with that woman go they follow and they talk, because when you go don't believe say the prophetess might be all the way you see continue even no and I make they say even no we not tag us and we not la video even no see and we not video even and everything. Very wrong for you to be sending people to people just because for you to find information to shop. To the same people go they meet people when they go they record them for inside their house. Is that friendship? So it was fake. Fake. Now it be. So thank God say when the woman come, I use my hand and my leg, they cookie driver. That one way they Canada where they talk on just now, so it be. Do you know that my husband even sense it? Because she they speak English, me they speak English, my husband speaks English. If we sit down for sure, my husband will also be asking to say, there's something about this woman. There's something about the friendship that this lady is bringing. I'm suspecting her. I will say, really, me too. My spirit is not telling me something. When you begin to enter privacy, yes, my spirit was not talking to me. Because the things which she can't want us, maybe they talk. We don't play, never reach 1 month or 2 months. You are not diving into another spiritual realm. You want me to be entering into some areas with you and be discussing. Really? No. You get what the person they discuss. Me, I'm not easily fond of trying to enter people's privacy. When I come see and say you want to enter my life, you want to enter my privacy. Now I say, a mission amuri na mi ayo na ku we for me say you na ku be a water boil. Ya say ya ku I use and play. Now be person go tell and say je retire you we ya ku you we ya gbogie. When you consider the way me take the dribble, he say ya be 10 with phone. Now he carry his hand, carry his leg, he stop, he not going to call me again. Yes. Those kind of people. Now the people where they do this kind of thing. If you are not sharp, you just say you don't see friend. You like me, we go no we make beaje every ene. Na son. We beaje every ene no day. Ko je monvo, ko je nenemi. But we fake boa. Person where they follow you talk so ma think boa no go where go na fan egbe. O ma think boa no where they think boa ne. Where ma think boa. No we call him we mo ye video ni abego wa we bege family we bege ya. We on we abego give me. Really? I make bege or severe I make great friendship video this time around. Eh? I make great friendship video. So that is it, my lovely people. Thanks for joining. I'll go compare the, somebody say you are too pretty and responsible for saga. Please stop it. No, it's not saga, it's gossip. If to say another topic we they do for you, you for not there yet. And if other people are discussing my topic, my colleague, you are there listening. Even if you don't copy, you suffer, you quack me for inside your bed. You suffer, they listen to the OGs. If not, where they for the see where they wash them. Where they for the see you where they wash them. When I know they use responsibility, they deceive me again. If anything day where I want to talk, I'll sit down for this my platform. I go talk. I'm not responsible, my brother. Every day, now I they talk and say my responsibility. I don't give them, they help me use them. I don't know whether you don't hear and let me repeat it in this video. I have given it to people to help me use it so that they can use it very well. Add it to their own, their responsibility will multiply. Not be say I have something to talk about. I will not be saying because I'm responsible. Oh, Baba, koji. I have responsibility who me la wa be Facebook. No do ha mama we mo irresponsible say imenyu he yo to a. Emmanuel ni san. Emmanuel ni nyano ni san we na those kind people na fi go test una not responsible. Not be me we no nyano ni san Emmanuel we e ko to tai na alo e na lock mo ye petin. Na me one come to say you are too responsible. No no ya go of a serious responsibility. But the one where they thought they talk to me waiting in be. So you mean you want make people will be like me, just the hammer me, they go big so ever na swaba. Me are responsible, you are the topic if we dictionary. Una can make person verse. Pakijo umo ma geno ma ya gwaloma. So can't comment who na the joke. Where that Macaulay safe. Me I even block him before I come up for here nana. Agwali comment brother ni gege block gie. Asan wa gba ba gbe. O ma dan wa hin. You are not a good person. O ma dan hin. What mercy. Mami my people. Omani Macaulay. Macaulay yaga atieba. You must to block up yana utana. Ma block e baba na. You must to block e kila bit. So my people na so it be mami ya block away. Why ya reply comment any beg any block my people. So na so it be. They will come they use responsibility, they deceive you. Really? La wo what is responsible me ba wa. Since when are they responsible? Ma beg ma mi rock ba we. Again me ya responsible ya de okay. E ma ni gbe me ya gbe ya were gbe me ya ye were. E wo ma no weti. Igbe me ya ye were. O se gbon ire. Una wa me I go the foundationary me I come dey talk with today. Paul and Silas was inside the Bible. They were good, very good friends. Jesus Christ know it. I be me at the final cup. I'll come the final cup for people. We be say ma solo gbayo me gbe solo yo yan. Egbe me ya anyo wa gi jore ni ama gnu yere ya yo agbe character be live video. Ma me fire for prayer no way na. Fire prayer ni we me gbo ni de no keri no yare agmo. Me I play small for una. For inside that fire prayer. Me I use that one to in this video. I say bonire. You was here. She kind responsible with that one. Responsible no why mama the one where they threatened me before say I'll come drag you, you know, come responsible again. Like woman no drag me one needs this time around. You need to even have me away. Yes, it's a living.
To work, that did not use their school to maintain themselves, that did not use their school, especially
message to men where not go school. Where go school where not they use their school till they work.
those who are in Europe. There are opportunity, you know. I'm not going to speak Nigerian English, you know. I'm going to speak American English. I don't care to know whether it's correct or it doesn't correct. All I know, I want to educate those that went to school.
Yes.
Those that speak baby grammar doesn't want to work. Let me educate you, my brothers and sisters. Your school is not for a mababa. Your school is not to wash plates in the house. Your school is not to make a proko. Your school is to use it to work and dedicate your body and make you to be a normal and proud of your family. You know what I mean? Please, if you know you go to school, go and find a job. There is a job that is waiting for you there. There is nothing like you go out and you come back in the evening, especially the men. Especially the men. Any man that go to school, when you go to school, you have a document, you don't want to work. Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost fire. Any man when go school, will get paper for you, will no one work. Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost fire. Release them wherever they are tying them down. Any woman that tied them down, any woman that locked them into a bottle, wherever they are buried their destiny, Holy Ghost fire. Any woman that got, any man that go to school in Nigeria, you come to Europe, you did not work. I release you from that bondage. I release you from that bottle. Wherever the woman has tied you, may the fire of God release you. May you become a rima. May you become a full man. In the name of Jesus, release right now. I release you. I am a woman like your mother. Your mother carry you with names. I am coming here to release you. Any man that got to school, you are in this school more than 20 years. You did not achieve anything. You will be like a woman rapper. You will be like a drunkard. You will be like a smoker. You will be like a Russia. I release you. Fire! Fire! In the name of Jesus.
One last fire.
Fire! 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 Every man that go to school that doesn't want to work, wherever his wife are tying down, wherever they are buried in destiny, I use this fire to release you. Fire! Any man that turn himself to Korosha, that turn himself to Igbo smoker, you want to school in Nigeria. You are in abroad. Nothing you can offer. And your wife become a president. Your girlfriend become a president. I use this fire to release you. Fire! Holy Ghost fire! Release any man that is in bondage, that used to cook in the kitchen. He don't want to work. Every time he cook in the kitchen, every time he watch a woman pipe, every time he lick a woman pussy. Fire! Fire! I release you! I release you! Wherever they tie your hand, wherever they tie your leg, I release you with this fire! In the name!
Do you know that this video, it make it run the roof for ground? It just look like it was just like, this woman will kill me. Wait, she's sagari. That way, she's playing. She's praying. So, how can I get them to stay home and not working? So, we give some people fire deliverance today. This delivered by fire, by thunder. Now, that kind of deliverance we will come take pray for Mugugu to one day. So that she will become a human being. Only they be fire and fire deliverance now. Maybe a deliverance, you know. No, you back when your dog, you know, me and I do no man in the ray back. Because the ray magba. See you guys, lovely people. See you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful night and sleep well. Ciao, ciao, ciao. See you people tomorrow. Well, sleep well by people. What you say? Somebody say play it again, please. Really? Okay. Let me play it.
Jesus, fire in your body right now. Receive your deliverance. Any man, you cannot talk like a man. You cannot speak like a man. You cannot behave like a man. I release you from bondage. That fire, that bottle, that bury you down. I release you. I release you. Fire, any bottle. I can see they have locked you into a bottle. I can see they have buried your destiny into a bottle. I can see they have turned you to a woman rapper. I can see they have tied your leg.
This is saga into your destiny.
Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to leave your own opinion, what you think about this video. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.